Today, we're diving deep into a review of the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Veerasamy, located in Singapore. Let's find out if this hotel lives up to its reputation and if you should stay there. For booking a stay at the most ideal price, check out the link in the description. At the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Veerasamy, get your trip off to a great start with a stay at this property, which offers free Wi-Fi in all rooms. Strategically situated in Little India, allowing you access and proximity to local attractions and sites. Don't leave before paying a visit to the famous Gardens by the Bay. This 3-star property is packed with in-house facilities to improve the quality and joy of your stay. It has a pretty good location. It's pretty close to Orchard Road, 4-minute drive. Singapore Flyer, 5-minute drive. Sand Sky Park Observation Deck, 5-minute drive. Cloud Forest, 6-minute drive, and also close to attractions like Chinatown, 6-minute drive. Gardens by the Bay, 6-minute drive. Singapore Botanic Gardens, 9-minute drive. National Orchid Garden, 9-minute drive. Here's what other travelers have to say about this hotel. I had an incredible stay at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Veerasamy. The value for money was impressive, with a perfect location, exceptional cleanliness, and top-notch facilities. The staff was attentive, the room spacious, and the overall experience fantastic. I highly recommend the Assembly Place for a comfortable and enjoyable stay. I recently stayed at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Veerasamy, and was impressed by its convenient location near Chinatown, Jalan Besar, and Tekka, with easy access to the downtown line. Though the exterior was deceiving, the room was clean, spacious, and well-equipped with amenities like a cozy blanket, smart TV, and hot water. Overall, I found the price very reasonable and was satisfied with my stay. I absolutely loved my stay at the Assembly Place, a co-living hotel at Veerasamy. The location was perfect with everything I needed within reach. The room was clean and well-prepared upon my arrival, and the staff were incredibly accommodating and friendly. The comfortable sleeping amenities and essential room features made my stay convenient and enjoyable. Now, let's move on to our personal ratings for this hotel, depending on the type of traveler. For families, 8 out of 10. For couples, 8 out of 10. For friend groups, 9 out of 10. For solo travel, 9 out of 10. Here are our overall ratings for this hotel. Location, 8 out of 10. Cleanliness, 9 out of 10. Service, 8 out of 10. Value for money, 9 out of 10. We would definitely recommend this hotel to you, no matter what type of traveler you are. To get the best price for this hotel, make sure you check out the link in the description. Have a nice trip.